Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this video is all about what is the difference between the aspect of normal Jupiter and retrograde Jupiter. So for this question I can able to answer within 1 or 2 sentences, but I don't want to restrict that for just 1 sentence or 2 sentences. I want to make it at least for 3 minutes or 4 minutes video. In fact, until for that point of time the people will be having the concentration. I don't want to bore you with so much of information by bombarding the video by making the very lengthy videos for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I'm sure you will not be having that much of concentration. So my videos are always very short enough, from 4 minutes to 5 minutes, and my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic Astrology. So thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and you keep supporting me for my videos, and you keep giving me a lovely comments. I keep reading all of your comments and I feel very joyful and happy by watching all those comments. All right, so what is the difference between the aspect of normal Jupiter and retrograde Jupiter? So basically normal Jupiter is something that when Jupiter is aspecting on from the place it is sitting to the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house, that is considered as aspect from the normal Jupiter. That means entire Jupiter's energy is into that specific zodiac sign, which is giving its aspects into the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house. All right, and that is considered as aspect of normal Jupiter. If the Jupiter is considered as retrograde, for example, when the Jupiter is considered as retrograde in your birth chart, you will be seeing the R symbol next to the Jupiter, and that R symbol next to the Jupiter is considered as retrograde, when it is considered as retrograde, the 50% of energy of that planet is placed in that. Let me give an example to you. Let's say you have Aquarius Jupiter, okay, and your Aquarius Jupiter is basically retrograde. So what does it represents? When you have a retrograde Jupiter, it is considered as, for example, let's say this retrograde Jupiter is placed in Aquarius zodiac sign, then Aquarius Jupiter will take an account of only 50%. That means 50% Jupiter is placed in Aquarius and the rest of the 50% is placed in Capricorn zodiac sign. Okay, so that's how you need to calculate. All right, so retrograde as in like only the half of its energy is giving its blessing in that specific zodiac sign, and half of it is giving the blessing towards the backside of Aquarius, which is Capricorn zodiac sign. All right, so this is what generally happens if at all you have a retrograde Jupiter. Okay, so retrograde Jupiter is, let me repeat to you once again. Let me take another example. Okay, let's say you have Leo Jupiter. Let's say in Leo you have a Jupiter in your horoscope, and that Leo Jupiter is basically retrograde. So what does it represents? That Leo doesn't have 100% concentration of Jupiter. 50% concentration of Jupiter is in Leo, and the 50% of concentration is in Cancer zodiac sign. Okay, so 50% it is there in the Cancer zodiac sign, and 50% of it is there in the Leo zodiac sign, because the backside of Leo zodiac sign is nothing but Cancer. So the shadow of this retrograde Jupiter, the 50% of its energy can be seen in the backside of zodiac sign. Okay, so that's how we'll be calculating with regards to the difference of the normal Jupiter as well as retrograde Jupiter. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please keep supporting my videos, and please let me in the comment section what exactly you learned from the retrograde Jupiter and the normal Jupiter, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also let me know in the comment section how you are loving my videos. And thank you so much for accessing this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to individual birth chart. And cheers for you, and have a nice day. Bye for now.